The Serious Fraud Investigation Office has decided to tap KPMG, Reebok's India's auditors in the alleged fraud case. And Devdatta Das joins us with exclusive details on that story. Devdatta, what kind of information is SFIO seeking from KPMG and how will it help the case?
Well, they have decided to seek this information simply because it's a forensic audit that KPMG had done back in 2010 after the parent company Adidas AG had sniffed some trouble concerning these two very gentlemen that have now been accused of committing the fraud, Suminder Singh Prem as well as Vishnu Bhagat. The forensic audit, by the very nature of it, is the most in-depth and analytically scrutinized audit that can be done possibly, and that is exactly why they're asking for this information, this crucial bit of information, because they will get information on each and every transaction, each and every entry that has been made into not only the balance sheet but also the profit and loss account, the invoices that have been submitted. All of those will have been scrutinized by while the forensic audit was done by KPMG. Not only that, the kind of role that these two gentlemen played would also have become clear in the forensic audit, despite the fact that in 2010 both these gentlemen were given a clean chit. But again, the exact details and the exact transactions could be pointing out to a very different story altogether, and that's exactly why they have asked KPMG for this crucial bit of information, I presume without which it will be difficult for them to go ahead with the investigation.
All right.